So with BatchDialer's new add-on, you can now turn highly motivated leads into conversations in just a few clicks. Hey guys, welcome to another episode here on BatchTV. My name's Landry and I'm the community manager at Batch Service, and today we're pulling lead lists from somewhere that might surprise you, BatchDialer. I'm super excited about this new add-on, so let's jump right into my account so I can show you how to use it. So you'll see this new section in your menu called lead list if you activate the add-on first. So in this section, you're going to see lead list and you'll turn it on and be able to choose from your preferred amount of monthly leads. You can choose 2,500, 5,000, or 10,000 contacts per month. So after you've chosen your preferred bundle size for the month and activated it, you'll see that new section pop up in your menu. So in lead list, all you have to do is type in a location. This could be a city, state, zip code, or county. I'm going to go to Phoenix, Arizona, and you can choose between condos or townhouses, multifamily 2 to 4 units, or 5+ units, or single family. And you can choose however many contacts you'd like out of each category, being failed listings, for sale by owner leads, out-of-state absentee owners, pre-foreclosures, tax defaults, tired landlords, vacants, and vacant lots. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a few from some of these categories here, maybe 100 from failed listings, 100 from tax defaults, and maybe 100 from vacants. You'll then save your list. I'm going to save this into one list called Motivated Leads in Arizona, and then assign it to a campaign if you have something. If you don't have something created, you can always do it later. I'm going to put this into a previously created campaign called Motivated Lead List, and then you'll decide what you'd like to do with any duplicate phone numbers. You can reject them, keep old on the original existing contacts that you've already had in your account, or keep them on the new contacts and take it off of what you've originally had. So you can read the brief description there and choose what would be best for you. I'm going to leave it alone on what it's defaulted to keep old. Now, if you're wondering what the difference is between something like lead list and batch leads, obviously I can't come into this section and filter out the years owned or the equity percentage or the number of days on market, etc., like I can in batch leads. But this is a really great way to get the ball rolling in your business and pull very efficient lists to immediately start calling. So after you've decided all of your different settings and placed the properties into a list of your choice, you're just going to click import. Also, another side note, this will depend on you. If you're wanting to save list individually, like a failed listings, and put that into its own campaign, you might want to do that without the other leads selected and then come back later and do that individually. It's completely up to you, but you won't be able to separate the lead list later if you save it into one place like I'm doing in this example. So it's all going to be your preference, but keep that in mind as you're trying this out yourself. So I'm going to click import and those will be saved into my account, and it will bring you to your contacts page with a pop-up sharing how that upload went and what it found when it was importing that data. Let's confirm. Now, once you're ready to start making phone calls, assuming you already have phone numbers and you've created your campaign and assigned that lead list to it, just click on the phone button in the top right-hand corner and click join next to that campaign that you've assigned the list to. So with BatchDialer's new add-on, you can now turn highly motivated leads into conversations in just a few clicks. So go through and find that campaign that you're ready to start making calls on. And I'm going to use this preview campaign, but we do have predictive dialing available as well with the magic wand icon. That's where it's going to be calling multiple people at once, the power dialer. But I'm going to go through this for example. And with the preview dialer, you're going to click next lead and go through it manually. And you're going to be able to go through their property details, review activities on what you've done with the contact as time goes on, see previous calls you've had with them in campaigns, leave notes, read your script, and schedule follow-up calls. So I'm going to initiate this call. And as soon as you hang up or a contact hangs up on you, every single time the system will bring up a pop-up of your call results. This is going to help you categorize your calls so that you can mark people that you don't want to talk to again or include in your campaign to filter them out, or when things go really well and you want to move forward to push them to your CRM. But we're going to click next and then move on throughout the rest of the campaign. We're super excited about this new add-on and we can't wait to hear what you think about it once you give it a try yourself. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have questions, subscribe to our channel and hit that like button, and remember to find the link in the description to join the community where you can reach out to me if you need further help and to just network with amazing people nationwide. And we'll see you guys on the next episode.